Hey guys, it's John V here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick hands-on look at the Plantronics Voyager 6200 UC. Now this is really meant to be used in an office setting. Typically you'd find someone wearing some sort of headset with a long boom microphone, but this utilizes a totally different form factor. It leverages that around the neck style that you tend to see with more fitness-centric headphones, but this gives it a wider range because not only can it be used for phone calls and in the office, you can even use it for music listening and other things. The band itself is very flexible. It sits around your neck, it's kind of loose, and you have the earbuds that are attached to it. There are a bunch of different buttons throughout the band itself, and you can customize some of them. As for the fit, I really like them because they are snug in the ear, and I could probably see myself using this at the gym, but obviously it's not really meant for that. It does feature passive noise cancellation, which is okay. You could still kind of hear some of the background noise, but it does offer true active noise cancellation, and with the flip of a switch you can lower down that background noise. So like I said, it's really meant to be used in an office setting for professionals just because it features things like the ability to be paired with up to 8 devices and connect to any 2 simultaneously. It has a range of 98 feet, it has wideband audio, and it has up to 9 hours of talk time. And it does come with a USB Bluetooth dongle, so you can connect them to your PC. Because it's really meant for professionals and used in an office setting, the Plantronics Voyager 6200 UC does command a pretty hefty price point of $300. Considering the untraditional design for a headset used in the office and all the features that come packed with it, it kind of makes sense. So if you guys want to learn more about the Plantronics Voyager 6200 UC, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.